Hello, my name is Sophia Patai and welcome to another IAPB webcast. Today I'm joined by Dr. Hessam Razavi, who undertook the MSc in Community Eye Health in 2007, which is now known as Public Health for Eye Care. Welcome, Hessam.
Thank you. Thanks for having me, Sophia.
So first of all, I would like to tell us, how did you come to know about the course?
It was kind of happenstance and kind of destiny, I suppose. I was working as a senior SHO, basically, in the UK at the time, having come over from Australia. And as I approached the end of my one-year clinical contract, I'd always been interested in public health, and I started mentioning to my bosses about these interests. And our head of department at the time had gone through training with Claire Gilbert, clinical training with Claire Gilbert. And he said, look, I've got this friend in London, Claire Gilbert, she does that sort of stuff in the UK. I travelled to London one morning with Claire, that was it. So that's what got me started.
So it was a done deal?
It was pretty much a done deal, the instant I stepped in, I saw the photos on the walls and the stuff that Claire and I were talking about, and I felt at home. So it was a natural fit.
When you finally got to the school and started the Masters, what did you do? What was it like going, from being a doctor to being a student again?
It was a pretty natural sort of fit for me. One of the first things I noticed was how high the standard of teaching was. It was just such a high quality of teaching, and I remember emailing my friends back home about that. Being a student again was fantastic. I mean, my classmates were great, people from all around the world, very diverse backgrounds. Everyone's in eye care, obviously, but they all had different things to contribute. And then the subject material is kind of exactly what is missing, I suppose, in a lot of clinical practice, which is one patient at a time. So, it was easy to digest, if that makes sense.
And now you've got the MSc under your belt. I mean, what's going on in your life now, and how's the MSc helped you to carry on with your future career plans?
So after the MSc, I stayed on with the department for a year and a half as a clinical research fellow and continued to do more of the sort of work that I'd done during the MSc. Subsequent to that, I went back to Australia to actually become an ophthalmologist. And I'm approaching the end now. My final exams are in 5 months, so I should really be studying right now rather than doing this, but that's okay, I'll make up for it. And so it's difficult to do too much of this stuff while you're training. I think once I'm done training in the next year, I hope to undertake a fellowship in a setting like India or South Africa or elsewhere in Asia, where I can get my teeth into this sort of work again, prevention of blindness.
Okay. Yeah. Dr. Hessam Razavi, thank you very much. Good luck with your exams good luck with your future plans and career.
Thanks very much. Thanks for having me.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for joining us, and join us again.